Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am on day 9 of my series, and today is going to be the last day. My house is going to be completed as of today. I was going to bring you guys along to show you my storage closet, but it's really not that bad, so I didn't want to waste the day trying to film in a small area just to get out a 2-minute video, so I'm not going to waste that. I do have house guests coming to stay at our home while we are out of town at my mother's for Christmas. So I need to get the spare bedroom nice and cleaned up, get the bedding a good wash, and that way my guests feel at home and they're nice and cozy while they're watching my home. So without further ado, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and come along with me. I spend a lot of time in here, so that means Tennyson also spends a lot of time in here. This is where I do a lot of my YouTube work. If you're a fellow YouTuber, you know how much time I spent in front of that computer. This room tends to get dirty really fast. I get ready in here and whatnot, so it needs to get cleaned up. The dogs and the dog and the cat tend to sleep on that bed a lot while I'm in here, so it's really furry all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all picked up. I'm gonna wash the bedding and just get everything wiped down nice and pretty.
If you be the shoulder that I need, I want to go. So take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go. So take me to Neverland.
One of the most satisfying things to me is wiping down wood products with the Method wood cleaner. It makes the wood look like moisturized and shiny without giving it that greasy feeling. And it's honestly my favorite thing to do in this room because the tops are that dark espresso and they just gleam after I clean them.
Breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken and never let.
Something I have noticed through this process is I'm not as big of a hoarder and awful cluttered person as I thought I was. I really haven't had to get rid of a lot. I've hoarded boxes, but like actual product, I'm not a big hoarder, and I'm so proud of myself for that. What I'm least proud of is how gross my baseboards are and my windowsills, and how little I dust on a regular basis, and how little I pick up after myself and my family throughout each room on a daily basis. So through this journey, I have learned that that's the thing I need to work on. So I think for the new year and the new me, I'm going to try to whole house clean more often. Well, we are done, guys. I got rid of my puppy paw prints on the window. I've gotten the room all sparkly and it smells like almond and it's amazing, and this process is finally finished. I couldn't be more proud of myself for actually completing it like I said I would, and I hope that it inspired you guys to maybe tackle one room a day as well, or just find your problem spots and tackle those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you would, please consider subscribing and sticking around for some more videos.